Luma's secret forest. Deep inside a glowing forest lived a tiny fairy named Luma. She had sparkly wings, a golden wand, and a heart full of courage. But Luma had one big dream: to explore beyond her fairy village. A strange sound. Luma paused. Did someone whisper? "Help! Help!" the forest whispered. Luma's eyes widened. What was that strange sound? Luma flew ahead, following the strange sound. The broken light stone. Suddenly, Luma saw something shocking. The magic light stone. It's broken. Just then, the ground shook. Boom! Boom! The lost baby dragon.
I didn't mean to break it. I'm lost and scared.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
The dangerous journey. To fix the stone, they needed a rainbow dewdrop from the sky hill.
Careful, we're not alone here.
Jump! Don't look back! Stay with me, we're almost there. Almost there.
The light awakened.
This is it, the rainbow dewdrop. We're almost home. The forest will shine again.
We made it! The stone is right here.
Do it, now!
And just like that, the light returned, and so did hope.